Hey there, AI enthusiasts. It's your buddy from All About AI Tech, ready to blow your mind with the latest in futuristic technology. Imagine this, coming back home after a long day and having a robot butler ready to take care of all your chores. Dream or reality? The answer might surprise you. First up, we have the Boston Dynamics Atlas. This is not just any robot, it's an acrobatic genius. Imagine a robot that can move like an Olympic gymnast. With enhanced mobility, Atlas is set to revolutionize Hyundai's manufacturing plants. But get this, the way it moves, it could easily be running around your house one day, handling chores you dread. Next on the list is Tesla's latest marvel, Optimus. Now, you might know Tesla for their electric cars, but their Optimus robot is just as groundbreaking. Powered by the same AI found in its EVs, this bot can sort battery cells with pinpoint accuracy. And guess what? It might just handle your laundry sorting soon. Think about that. No more mixing up your whites and colors. And meet Figure 01. Picture this, a robot that not only understands your commands, but can chat with you like a friend. That's Figure 01, powered by OpenAI's ChatGPT. Need a coffee in the morning? This bot can make it for you. Well, at least push the button on your Keurig. How cool is that? Let's not forget Unitree's G1. This robot stands out with its affordability, tagged at $16,000, not cheap, but less expensive than many of its competitors. It runs at 4.5 miles per hour, can solder wires, and even whip up a breakfast. Imagine waking up to a bot flipping pancakes for you. Next is a familiar face, the Agility Digit. Standing tall at 5'9", this robust robot is now part of Amazon's workforce in their warehouses. Capable of carrying up to 35 pounds and reaching heights as tall as 6 feet, Digit could one day tackle those high-up and heavy chores at home. Imagine never having to climb a ladder again. Now, take a look at the Phoenix from Sanctuary AI. This Canadian gem is already in use at Canadian Tire Corporation. Its claim to fame? Quick adaptation to new tasks, learning in less than 24 hours. A general-purpose design means potential home applications are endless. Finally, let's talk about the Aptronic Apollo. Want a robot that feels human? Apollo's digital panels on its face and chest can show you its battery life, tasks at hand, and what's next. Think of it as the iPhone of robots, designed to be user-friendly and upgradable. This is one emotional robot that wants to keep you in the loop. So there you have it, folks. 8 incredible humanoid robots poised to change the way we live. From handling your laundry to making breakfast, these bots are set to make our lives easier and more enjoyable. Think of all the time we could save to focus on what really matters, family, hobbies, and just living life to the fullest. Isn't that exciting? What do you think? Which of these bots would you most want in your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to All About AI Tech for more amazing tech updates. Stay curious, stay excited, and keep dreaming of the future.